Hey YouTube, so I've got a special deal today. It's Sunday, October 10th, 2021. People that are on this channel, you probably know I sell software. I sell tier 5 Chrome extensions, and what they do is they help you monetize your Facebook, get friends, add friends, get people engaged on your Facebook feed, whether it's your page, your business page, a group. You can do all sorts of things from scheduling posts to automatically replying to engaging with people to automatically wishing people happy birthday. So a lot of stuff that you can do with these extensions. So going to take a quick look at some of them, but I'm going to do a bundle price on what's called an ascending invoice using a program called Invoicing You. I also sell that. Reach out if interested. I'll leave a link. But this one is just going to be for this bundle right here. So basically you get all of the extensions that I sell. So we've got Facebook Friend Connector. This is going to automatically help you send out friend requests with a specific message. You can have multiple variations, and what you do is you go into a group, select all the members, and you can send out multiple messages and friend requests along with links or whatever to get people's attention. And just you set it, forget it, leave the tab open, walk away, and you can get extra friends and fill up people who are seeing your content. Another one that we've got is Facebook Post Scheduler. Um, just what the name says, whether it's your profile, your business profile, or a group, you can post your content and not have to be there. So that's time saver. Post profits is another one that's included. Basically, you can set it up and connect or integrate it with a post. So if somebody comments like hashtag message me, it'll automatically send them a message. You can put in your call to action and get them interested in your content or your offer. Um, Post filter also included. It's a time saver. So what this does is on your news feed, if you wanted to filter in or out posts or ads, or just by keyword, you can do that. So if you didn't want to see ads anymore, you filter them out. Just click that little radio button there and press go. Filters them all out. You don't have any more ads to struggle through. So really a time saver. Next up, we've got Engagement Monster. So if you want people to think that you're engaged, you want people to see your name pop up all over the place, Engagement Monster is what does it. You can have it post emojis or just replies with whatever words that you want. Configure it in the Chrome extension. Super easy to use. Gets people's attention, gets your name out there, and shows that you're active on Facebook. And then this last one, biggest fan. This one, basically, if someone goes live and you want them to know that you're watching and engaging, this will do this for you. So you don't have to go to every single live and be commenting and reacting to everything. And all right, and the last one we've got here is Birthday Wisher. So what this does, again, is you leave this running in a tab in the background on your computer, and when somebody's birthday comes up, you can leave them a customized message, and it'll send that out. Oops. So last one that we have is Birthday Wisher. Basically, you have the Chrome extension configured. You log in, you put the different messages that you want to be sent out for someone's birthday. And those of you that have big friends list from using Friend Connector, once you get that couple thousand friends on your list, you don't really want to spend all day wishing everybody happy birthday, even though it's a nice thing to do. This will automate that. Again, it's simple Chrome extensions. You'll see them up in the list. I've got a ton. You'll see them up there once you add it. And that's pretty much it. So that's Birthday Wisher. And what I'm doing right now is an ascending invoice with a program I use and sell called Invoicing You. What this does is it allows me to set a price. $10 is way below what anybody would usually charge for even one of these products, especially Friend Connector. I think the going rate for that most people get is around $40 a month or something like that. But what I'm doing is starting at 10 for the bundle. It'll increment up $2 after every 2 orders. And if you get in quick enough, you're going to be able to take advantage of it, get it on a steep discount. And if not, or if you're not interested in all of them, just want a deal on one of them, feel free to send me a message. I'll leave the link in the description for my page and contact me over chat. And that's it.